back, everybody. Harry P. from the Driftless Homestead. Today we're out. I picked up the bees, so we're going to start two new hives. And then, because last year the one hive I had died, which is, we had that polar vortex, and I guess a lot of people lost bees. It went through the hive, and there were no mites. So the odds are that it was the cold is the reason we lost them. So we're gonna transfer from the box that the bees came in into one of the hive boxes for now, and then we'll add to it later. So let me get you set up here to see. All right, I'm gonna bring you guys over here and we'll check this out together. I'm gonna set you up so you can see what everything looks like. So the plastic box with the green lid is the one that the bees came in. And I'll prop it up here just so you can see it. So we'll open her up. Pour these out. Good room. Got my handy dandy scrunch hive tool. So we'll try and take this end frame out first. Set that in there. Give it a little bit more room to work here. These are the brood here. There, as easy as it. Simple as pie. Easy as pie. I'm gonna leave these sit here because they were interested over there, and then hopefully they'll find their way into the hive here. A few dead bees in the bottom here. That's about what I see. I'll leave everything sit here so they can get out. And then what we'll do is we'll go to the other valley and install the second set of bees. That one I'm going to have to mess around with a little bit because that was the hive that died. And I'll probably have to move some frames around to get ready for them. So let's go over there and check it out. Okay, here we are at the hive I started last year. So I'm going to take this apart real quick, and then I'll be taking most of the stuff home with me just to clean some things up here. So this top we're going to use. He has some really nice tops I'm going to buy put on before winter time. I'm going to switch these flat tops off. Okay. I guess I'm not the smartest guy in the world. I had this hat on backwards before. It's like my first time lighting a fire. Here we go. Yeah, these bees here are way more aggressive than the last ones I installed over on the other side. So I am just going to get out of here, go to lunch, and I'll pick up the pieces later. So hey, thanks for showing up today and seeing how easy it was to install these bees. If you like what you see on the channel, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends, and we'll see you next time.